In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a buyer on Depop before shipping the item. If you need to cancel an order and return the buyer's payment before the package has been shipped, Depop makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can complete the refund correctly and make sure the shipment is canceled as part of the process. To begin, open Chrome and go to depop.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct seller account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account or have both buying and selling activity on the platform. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture, usually located near the top of the page, and click on it to open your account options. From that menu, go to your selling hub. This is where you'll find the main tools related to your seller activity, including your active listings, order information, and completed sales. After you're inside the selling hub, click on sold. This section shows all of your completed transactions. So take a moment to find the order that has not been shipped yet. It's important to choose the correct transaction since the refund will apply specifically to that sale. When you open the order, you should see the receipt details for that transaction. Scroll toward the bottom of the receipt and click Refund. This will open the refund options for that order. Next, select Full Refund. Choosing a full refund means the entire payment will be returned to the buyer, which is what you'll want if the order is being canceled and the item will not be shipped. After that, you'll be asked to choose a reason for the refund. Select either canceled by buyer or item out of stock depending on which one matches the situation. It's best to choose the option that most accurately reflects why the order is being canceled, since that helps keep your records clear and avoids confusion later. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm Refund. This sends the money back to the buyer and cancels the shipment, so the order will no longer need to be fulfilled. Before you close the page, it's a good idea to quickly double check that the refund has gone through successfully. That way you can be confident the buyer has been refunded and the transaction has been properly canceled. And that's how to refund a buyer on Depop before